Hello guys, this is Eniolami and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be talking about the Chatcryptoai airdrop withdrawal. So as I posted earlier, I made a previous video where I explained how fantastic this project is going to be, being an AI project, and we know what AI is doing in the crypto space already. So that's why you don't have to miss out on this project. If you've registered already or you just want to register, you can check the description box for the registration link. You register and get 1,600 tokens. So these tokens will be given to you, and firstly you need to do your KYC. The KYC process is very seamless. Just have to click on these 3 lines, then you click on KYC and then submit your documents. That's all. No any other thing attached to it. Just submit your documents. The moment you do this, that's the phase 1 of the airdrop withdrawal. The phase 2 of the to enable you be able to withdraw the airdrop. I'm gonna check walk you guys through their white paper so you see the benefit of having of investing in their seed round or private round, and that is also one of the criteria to be eligible for airdrop withdrawal. The airdrop withdrawal is 5% monthly. 5% monthly. Airdrop withdrawal is 5% monthly. While this is loading, let's check the PDF. This is their white paper. I downloaded the PDF, and you see their token details. Chat crypto total supply 32 billion pieces. Their the contract address will also be attached to this video. You can check the description box or the pin post in the comment section. You go to your Trust Wallet, add it on Trust Wallet using the contract address, so you'll be able to withdraw. And this is their roadmap. The most important aspect that I'm concerned about is the terms and conditions. Let me zoom in. You see, release of token purchase in public round starts 30 days after trading starts. What you are doing with your money here is just for a short time. Let's assume you are able to purchase you purchase any of the seed round or public round. In 30 days you are getting your investments, because you'll be able to withdraw your purchase. We are going to go back to the site so that you can see the withdrawal criteria. The minimum $10 purchase is necessary in public round to withdraw airdrop tokens. Very important. 1,600 tokens. Imagine that if that token gets to $1, that's automatically $1,600. If the token gets to 0.1, which is 1 cent and 10 cents, that is like $1,000 or $800 thereabouts. So if you are using $10 minimum to secure such investment, I don't think it should be a big deal. Is the airdrop tokens withdrawal is 5% monthly. Airdrop token release and pre-sale release will start 30 days after trading starts. 30 days. This is not a long time thing that your money will be on hold. No, you have the opportunity to join now and get your investments. Do your register, do your KYC, then complete buy a token, buy their seed round. They are proceeding to the next in 8 days, as at when making this video. This is sold. You see, investing pure 20% release every month. For this particular round that has been sold out, the 20%, anyone that has purchased this is going to be able to withdraw 20% of this every month. The listing price is 0.01. You can imagine. So we are already closer to $0.1 and $1 already. So if the listing price will be 0.01, then that is already closer to $1. This is a very, very good investment. Look at this. Private round 32 billion CCC tokens. This one is called we were going for 0.001, and 33.3% release every month. 33.3% release every month. Look at this. So meaning in less than 5 months you are done collecting your complete money here. If you buy this next round, which the minimum purchase is $100. Please note, what you are getting for your airdrop is also different from this round that you are buying. You get your token for this round, which you can sell for 30 days after the token has been released. Then as well as your 5% airdrop withdrawal. You can imagine. So let's assume you are buying this one a minimum of $100 here, and you added 5% from the airdrop withdrawal. This is 38.3% monthly withdrawal. 38.3% monthly withdrawal automatically. So what you can see how big this is such a big investment, and it's very reliable as far as I'm concerned. The least you can buy here is $10, which is the round sale, the end of the sale round. It's going for 0.004. You see the difference between the prices. This one is 0.00 to $50 minimum purchase. This one of $10 minimum purchase, it's going for 0.004, meaning they are selling it for you at a price of 0.004, and you're going to be selling at listing for 0.01. That is investment. That is how people make money from pre-sales. A lot of pre-sale, pink sale project has been ongoing, pre-sale lately, that most people might not be able to key into because of lack of information, adequate information. That's why you have to also be in my Telegram channel, because we have series of information you love to key into. Pre-sales projects, decentralized airdrop, futures trading, signals, every other thing is available. So we are not limited to airdrop as far as I'm concerned. So just click on the link in the description box or the comment section. Join me on Telegram, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Drop your questions. I'll be willing to attend to them. So guys, this is all about Chatcryptoai. Register, submit your KYC documents, buy a pre-sale for as low as $10. That's the minimum, so you can be able to withdraw your airdrop. It's very important. Buy a pre-sale so you can be able to withdraw your airdrop. No pre-sale, no token brought, no airdrop withdrawal. That's the criteria. Gone were the days when we completely get airdrop for free. Talking about Remitano, Core, and the likes of them. Every opportunity in crypto space doesn't last. So you have to understand this process and take advantage of any opportunity you are seeing at the moment. Those of us that took advantage of Core, Remitano, and the likes, we didn't pay anything to withdraw the airdrop. It was absolutely free. But look at the upcoming airdrops nowadays. You have to do one thing or the other to withdraw, and trust me, the next airdrop will not be funny. Just like what is happening in the decentralized airdrop, where you have to interact, it won't be funny. You have to do some things to get the airdrop. So always take advantage of the opportunity as it comes. Don't think it will be like that forever. No, things change. This crypto space keeps evolving. You can see for LT wallet and Battleseed wallet, things change. For LT wallet and Battleseed wallet, you have to deposit and trade on the AI to withdraw their airdrop. You can see what is happening here in the Chatcryptoai airdrop as well. So take advantage of every opportunity you are seeing at the moment. It won't last forever. You only get what you deserve. So guys, thank you for watching. See you guys some other time. Don't forget to subscribe, and do join me on Telegram. Bye for now.